We're at the Hamilton Gardens on our second salvage site. We're here to clean up the Waikato River, the Te Awa River salvage. We're just in partnership with Deep Dive Division. Just behind me is a 230-ton crane pulling out 6 vehicles at this site. We just basically wanted to partnership on this, build awareness around the Waikato River. The initiative is going to take a fair bit of time, but we just want to clean it up and teach the next generations to just keep it tidy and respectful. And our engineering team used the RTC360 to do that mapping of the site. Used it to overlap it basically, so we could actually use it to do all our health and safety documents, our lift planning, double check the crane was suitable, capacity of it, and plan the whole job on it. So it's a great tool, and this is just a good example of it.